gosh. I just come outside, and the whole greenhouse has tipped over. I mean, for all I know, there were a lot of stuff in there, and a lot of it could be dead now. Could have been broken. The greenhouse, for all we know, could be broken. That is so annoying. Right, I'm going to investigate a little further. Okay, so I'm going to update you on what happened. But first, welcome to my garden diary. Thank you for watching. If you're not already subscribed, then please do hit the subscribe button and give a like. Yes, I'm going to update you on what just happened. So basically, the wind is absolutely brutal. Like, super strong wind up here in the north. And what's happened is this greenhouse hasn't been pinned down very well. So it's flown over. It's taken off all the flowers from that pot here. So this pot here, all the flowers have gone. I'm putting them up there on the bin, and I'm going to put them in a glass of water, so hopefully they'll still live on. But the thing I am thankful for is, like, nothing has actually broken. Like, all the sweet corn is still standing. So yeah, I'm just going to try and tidy up a bit, and I'm going to try and hold that down so nothing else dies and stuff. So if you might have noticed, I've put the violas out, which are the purple flowers that were basically thought were dead, that I had in my last video. And it turns out they're not dead, and they've all sprung back to life except for the front ones. And I'm going to plant them out in some sort of sunbed, and I'm going to just tidy up. The leaves have been gone everywhere, obviously because of the wind, and because it's autumn now, like, leaves are just everywhere. So I'm just going to try and sort that out a bit, because the garden is just like an absolute mess. Yeah. So I've tried weighing down the greenhouse with a few bricks and a bag of compost. We have, like, old gas can for the barbecue, and I've put that in front of it, but I don't know if that's going to work. I've put the wisteria and some water inside, because that went, like, everywhere. It fell out of its pot and everything. And then if you remember in my last video, I planted out some of those little lettuces and I put them in the greenhouse. Thankfully not many of them got tipped out, so I've put them inside so they're still warm and they won't be getting tipped over in the wind and all that. And now I've got the violas I was telling you about. Yeah, I'm going to plant these around and hopefully they should look quite nice. But these ones here, oh gosh, look at these roots. Never seen such crazy roots. Yeah, I'm just going to chuck them because they're dead, basically. And I'm going to plant these ones out in a bed. So I've just planted them out. And I know there's probably, like, quite a few bunches of flowers in there, but I quite like them all bunched together because I think that looks a bit nicer than them all being separate and on their own. like bringing you guys inside, and I'm actually going to do some baking because I literally love baking so much. So I found this recipe. It's like chocolate chips, but they're like more healthy. So I mean, they're not really that healthy, but they use like coconut sugar instead of just like normal sugar. But we're out of chocolate, so I'm going to pop to Tesco's and get some, and then I'll come back and I'll bake. So I just got back from town, and now I'm going to get cracking with the cookies. Right, I'm going to leave the video there today, guys. I had one of the cookies and they were absolutely delicious. I'll leave the recipe down below in the description for you guys to try anytime. And I'll see you guys again next time. Thank you so much for watching. Please do give a like and subscribe if you enjoyed. And yeah, see you again soon. Bye!